lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So my last video I showed you guys MIA Secret Odorless Monomer. So today I'm going to attempt an acrylic set with the odorless monomer. I am using Glam and Glits, romantique, and I'm also using a dip powder I got off Amazon, Lula, and the color's 10. And I'm going to be using MIA Secret in clear to encapsulate my colored acrylics. And of course, I'm going to be using the MIA Secret Odorless Fusion Monomer. So this is the monomer that you actually cure in the lamp. So I don't use acrylic because of the smell of the regular monomer. I don't like it. I used to use it, but at that time I still wasn't that good with acrylic application. And throughout this video, you can see kind of my application isn't the best, but throughout the video, I was getting into a rhythm with picking up my bead, draining the bead, and then setting the bead down so it releases from the brush. So if you use acrylic, then you probably know what I'm talking about. If you don't use acrylic, maybe in a future video, if I continue with using the odorless monomer and acrylic, I'll be able to give you a better tutorial as far as applying acrylic. But just for now, I just wanted to play with the odorless monomer and see if this is something I really could use. So I'm just using this stand. I don't really know the proper term for this stand. So I attached the full coverage nail tips. I think these are by EC Basket. I've had these for a while, so I don't really remember where I got them from, but I think they were EC Basket. And just some tack. I tacked them onto the little stand, and I'm just going to try and create a set of nails. So I do like the fact that this monomer does not have a monomer smell to it. It's more of a like sweet smell. It does have an odor, but it's not overpowering like monomer. So like I said in the previous video, it kind of reminds me of like the Burano slip solution. And so as I'm using it today, it's like a sweet plasticky smell, if that makes any sense, but it doesn't smell like monomer at all. So I did 3 nails and I went in and cured that for 60 seconds. The thing about this monomer is it is cured in the light, so similar to a poly gel or a builder gel. I know there are some other odorless monomers that you don't have to cure in the light. This one is a fusion odorless monomer. The other odorless monomers are slow setting, and I actually did order one by Sherry, and I will be reviewing that for you guys in the next couple of videos or so. So I just went in and cured that for 60 seconds. I'm gonna work on the other 2 nails. On this nail, I tried to do an ombre with the dipping powder and then with the glitter acrylic. It didn't turn out the way I thought it would in my mind, but I mean, that's fine. This is just a practice video. And I am using dipping powder, but dipping powder is acrylic powder. It's just the way that it's processed, it's a lot finer than regular acrylic. So you're not going to get the structure of the nail from the dipping powder. Also, you're not going to get the structure of your nail from most colored acrylics or the glitter acrylics. So you would just lay down a thin layer, get your design, and then encapsulate that with clear acrylic, and then that's where you would build the structure of your nail as well. So on this nail, I'm trying to do like a little glitter swirl decoration. It came out kind of funky, but again, this is just a practice video. As I grow and as my application becomes better, then that will reflect in my videos. But this is something that I'm still learning and just sharing my journey with everyone. So yeah, this is just a journey for me. I definitely do appreciate things that you guys have learned, leaving them down in the comments below. I definitely appreciate all the positivity that you guys have been putting in the comments. Like, there's been no negativity at all, and I really do appreciate that, because I feel like this is something that a lot of us are learning. A lot of us are learning to do for ourselves, and some of us are learning so that we can be licensed nail techs. But whatever the situation is, I just love the positivity, the support, and from all of you ladies. That really means a lot. So definitely down in the comments below, let me know what you think about the monomer. After watching the video, the previous video and this video, let me know what you ladies think. I'll link the video in the cards above, as well as in the description box below, of my initial thoughts on this monomer. So after I do my thin layer of my design, I did encapsulate all of the nails. I only show encapsulation on one. I will say one of the cons to this monomer is the fact that if you want to add, like say you have a little dip in the nail or whatever, you want to add a little bit more acrylic, you have to cure it first before you can kind of fix that. That could be my skill level right now, or that could just be the way the product works. So it moves until you cure it, just like gel or just like poly gel. But the consistency of the gel and the poly gel is a little bit firmer than I would say the monomer and acrylic is. The fusion monomer is. So that's just one of the drawbacks that I've noticed so far. But other than that, I really didn't struggle as much using this as I thought I would. So again, my technique kind of got better throughout the video. So I just showed myself encapsulating just the thumb only. I'm going in now with my You Are Sugar top coat. I love this top coat. It is extremely shiny. It's a medium consistency. And I'm just top coating the nails. I will cure that for 60 seconds. And like I said, I didn't struggle as much as I thought I would with this combination. I did do some hand filing off camera. I just did that with the hand file. Just to clean up the sides and smooth out the entire nail. But for the most part, I really enjoyed this, so I'm gonna keep playing with this monomer and you know, keep letting you guys know. We'll keep documenting my progress working with this monomer. I am getting in another odorless monomer in the next couple weeks, so in the next few videos I'll be able to show you guys that. I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway. I will link that video down below as well in the cards above. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.